The next thing is, it is about the India. I seen India in vision. Okay, so this time I already prophesied in the beginning of 2026, but this time I want to make it clear. Okay, so the people of God in India, Christians, hear the words of prophet. Okay, don't mock other religion people. Okay, don't mock other religions. Okay, so Christianity is not a religion. So why you are fighting that is not belong to our zone? Say a Christian is not a part of religion, so then why you are fighting for the religions? Okay, Christianity is a way. Jesus didn't came to this world to set a new religion. Okay, don't confuse the people. Okay, don't fight for religions, for religious matters. Christianity is not a religion, so don't you enter into religion, and don't put Christianity into religion. Okay,